Hello, so today I got some post. Essentially, it's the 18th season. I still love this stuff, getting DVDs and unboxing them. So I'm just gonna give it a quick run. So in fact, I'm going to cover the super often. I'm quite like that. I've got that real annoying. Basically, yeah, I'll put the panels on the back. You can see that. Excellent. I don't quite get the connection. So this is the box artwork. Oh wow, that looks cool. Oh nice. That's incredible. Can't really see it well. Let's look at the individual discs quickly. See if they cool. Artwork, some things in there. This one. Cool. This two. This three. And this four. It was kind of like a film noir. And this book that is really cool. And I'm going to enjoy watching it as well because I know that they're really not as good as the classic Simpsons, but they still have some really entertaining moments in, and I enjoy it. Um, I'd like to know what you guys think as well. If you have any of the box sets yourself, definitely the box sets yourself, and which ones you have, it'd be cool to know. Leave in the comments below. And yeah. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, let me know below what you think of The Simpsons and what seasons you like and what DVD box sets or what your favourite episodes are. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.